What are the best travel must-haves you can find on Amazon? If you've been wondering this, you've stumbled upon the right video because I'm gonna be sharing my 26 favorite travel must-haves you can purchase on Amazon and linking all of them in the description box below. I also wanna mention that all 26 items fit in this backpack. So a lot of them are very small. So if you're packing just a carry-on only, they're all gonna fit in there and not take up too much space. These travel perfume bottles let you bring your favorite scents with you anywhere you want to travel. You no longer have to bring your glass perfume bottles with you that can easily break in your luggage, which would be a disaster. I've never had one of these break or open or leak. They are pretty durable. I could probably easily just drop it on the ground and it doesn't even have a scratch on it. An airplane footrest. It comes with a nice little carry-on case. It's very lightweight, easy to just plop into your backpack or purse when you're going on the plane. It's got adjustable straps, so it's good for adults and children. You just take these straps and you hook it to your table in front of you, and it allows you to lengthen out your legs and your feet and relax them in here. It also allows you to move by swinging your feet, which is really good for blood flow, especially on long flights to prevent blood clots and also to prevent fatigue and pain in your lower back from sitting too long. Leak locks, toiletry skins. They come in a pack of 4 and you use them for leak proofing any of your liquids that you're gonna be traveling with. So these go over many different size bottles. You just place them on top, pull them down, and it seals that bottle shut so it prevents them from leaking or spilling in your luggage when you're en route to your destination. These are heavy duty. They are made really well. You can stretch them, you can pull them, and they are not going to break or rip. And when you take them off, they go back to their original form. A luggage cup holder. You just place this over your luggage handle, and it has 2 pockets in the front for a water bottle and another for a coffee for those early morning flights. And in the back, there is another pocket where you can put your boarding passes, your passport, your cell phone, a soft case sunglass holder. It has a zipper that zips all the way around, and you can put your favorite sunglasses or reading glasses in here. The carabiner really makes this because I've had soft case sunglass holders in the past that I would just put in my backpack or purse, and then I would end up with so many broken sunglasses. And then the hard cases are just bulky and they take up too much space. So this is a good balance between the two. A neck pillow. I highly recommend anyone traveling for more than 3 hours have a neck pillow so you can get some rest, especially on longer flights too, overnight flights, really early morning flights, you're gonna want a neck pillow. What I love about this one is it comes with a carrying case, so you can just strap it onto your backpack or luggage, purse. What makes this neck pillow extra special is it has straps on the back that attach to your airplane seat, and it will prevent your head from flinging forward and waking you up when you're trying to sleep. It keeps your neck and your head super still. A travel umbrella. It is compact, it is light. You can throw it in your purse or your backpack. You can even put it over your head and wear it around your shoulder just like that. It's basically really easy to take with you on days where you don't know which way the weather is gonna turn. A thermos, which is great to take with you to restaurants. It's a great alternative to takeout containers. The great thing about this is it keeps food hot for about 6 hours. So you go out for lunch, you don't finish your lunch, you put the rest in here, and you're out exploring for the rest of the day, and you have your dinner with you. Silicone travel bottles. So this is food grade silicone. So not only can you put things like shampoos, conditioners, body wash in it, but you can put sauces or salad dressings, which is good for those of you who like to prepare your meals for the flight. These ones aren't the typical go tubes. They're actually quite significantly cheaper, but they work just as well. They don't leak, they don't open in your luggage. You can fit up to 100 milliliters in them, so you can pop these in your carry-on luggage and take it with you on the plane. If you're like me, then jewelry is the thing you collect when you travel. And I use this travel jewelry box to keep everything safe and organized. The top part here can fit 5 necklaces and keep them from tangling. The middle part here can fit 10 pairs of stud earrings. Then you flip this open here, and on this side I have some rings as well as some earrings. And then there's this side that has these dividers you can kind of slide up and down. And I have some earrings in here as well as bracelets and necklaces. You can fit quite a bit in here, and it's super compact. Easy again to throw in a carry-on or any type of luggage. Silicone cable ties are great for keeping all of your cables organized and prevent them from tangling, so your headphones, other cables, and even food packaging. It secures them shut. A compact rechargeable travel mirror, 1x and 10x magnifying mirror. It has a built-in light function. We got white light, we got a yellow light, which resembles daylight, and then a mix between the two. It's great for checking or doing your makeup, checking your teeth. I'm good. It's elegant and sleek, and you can choose from a variety of different colors. A universal in-flight airplane phone holder mount. This gives you a hand-free viewing experience. You can hook it onto so many different things, whether that's in the plane, on the seat in front of you, at a workstation, at a coffee shop if you're working, wherever you want to watch something on your phone and not be holding it. It's got a 360-degree spin, so you can watch videos vertically or horizontally. It is compatible with a range of different phone sizes, so whether that is an iPhone mini or a Samsung Note 20 Plus. A luggage scale. You do not want to end up at the airport at the check-in and they tell you your luggage is even a half a pound to a pound overweight and you have to pay additional fees for that. That is the worst. Prevent that from happening by using one of these. These BPA-free silicone cream jars that come in a package of 4. They're a bit smaller than the other travel silicone bottles that I shared, but these are great for things like face cream, under-eye cream, even toothpaste I put in here. These are great, especially if you're traveling carry-on only, because they hold less than 100 milliliters, and 100 milliliters is the max amount of liquid that you can put in your carry-on. They're spill-proof. I've used them several times, never had an issue. They come with these like little labels you can put at the top so you know what you have in each one, and they're really easy to clean. Reusable straws. You can ditch the plastic or paper straws and opt in for either metal or bamboo, whatever you prefer. I prefer the metal because when I'm traveling to tropical destinations, coconuts is one of the first things that I go for. And not only can you drink using out of the coconut using one of these, you can make the hole that you need to get into the coconut with a metal straw. A silicone makeup brush holder keeps all of your makeup brushes clean, organized, and prevents them from bending and warping. All of these things that I was dealing with before I started using one of these. The Life Straw water bottle. I'm absolutely obsessed with this bottle. I've used so many different water bottles over the years, and this one I'm so attached to. If I lost it, I would cry, legit. What makes this water bottle extra special is it has a membrane microfilter as well as a carbon filter that filters out so many nasty things you don't want in your body from tap water. Packing cubes. I've used so many different packing cubes. These ones are my favorite by Nomadic because they are compression packing cubes, which means you can fit even more clothing in one of these. This packing cube has 2 compartments, so you can fit clothes on both sides, and then it's got the zipper in the middle, which is what compresses all of your clothes together. They come in different sizes, so you can choose the ones that work best for you. A Sony portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. This thing is super lightweight, it's small, it has a strap, so you can strap it onto a backpack or even put it around your wrist like so. It is waterproof and dustproof, so you can bring it to the pool, the beach, and not have any issues. It's got some good sound on it, because I mean, it's from Sony. You charge it using USB-C, and it's good for 16 hours of fun. Silicone stasher bags. They come in different sizes. You can buy them individually or as a set. These are great for packing snacks for the plane, or if you're out and about and exploring your new destination, you can bring some snacks with you, or also for leftovers, you can use these. And they're easy to wash, they're easy to seal, and they won't leak, and they're reusable. An Instax Mini. So many of my favorite travel photos are from this camera. I love that it's instant, so you take the picture and then you physically have it printed in your hand right away. It's not just like a digital image on your phone. I love that you take the one photo, you don't get to redo it over and over again. So it's great for capturing those real, in-the-moment memories. And to go with the camera is this photo album made specifically for those types of photos. So there's these little pockets. You just slip the photo right in. And then you have a photo album of physical pictures. This is definitely one of my most prized possessions. A BioLite solar charger. This is a mini solar panel that you can set up outside. And there's a little circle here, and you want to point that towards the sun. The sun goes in and it charges this baby up, and then you can charge your devices on it. This is great if you're on camping trips or if you're in remote areas where you don't have electricity. If you're someone who suffers from flying anxiety or doesn't deal well with jet lag, You're going to love this. It's an eye mask. It also has built-in headphones that are adjustable, and it comes with an app that has all these different sounds, music, meditations, and stories that will really relax you and even put you to sleep. A rechargeable, portable, flexible fan has come in handy so many times when I've been traveling, whether that's at the beach on those extra hot days, on a hot bus, in places that don't have air conditioning. You just can easily bend these 3 legs and wrap them around any type of pole, and it has 3 different fan options, so low, medium, and high. It also has a light in it, so you can use it at nighttime, whether that's to see something or just for fun, because it has like a multicolor light option. You just use USB-C to recharge it, and on a full charge, it lasts anywhere from 4 to 14 hours. And that just depends on the fan speed that you have it on. I hope you enjoyed this video of my 26 travel must-haves you can purchase on Amazon. Again, I've linked all of them in the description box below, so you can go and check that out. And if you like this video, you're gonna love my carry-on packing hacks video, as well as my airplane travel hacks video. So go check those out, and I will see you next time. Happy travels!